to be featuring my Kylie summer palette. This has been long awaited just because I got sick when it came out, and then I was waiting to get, you know, fully recovered so that I don't contaminate this. I have used this palette once before, right before I got sick. I just made like a neutral makeup look with it. So today I'm going to be a little bit more adventurous and do something more colorful. From some of these colors in the palettes is that they have nice bronzy tones, beautiful, beautiful shimmers. I am in love with this palette. I love the way that the eyeshadows actually blend. They blend seamlessly. I don't have to take forever trying to diminish harsh lines. So yes, and let me show you the colors. Now the color names I feel could have gone on the palette itself just because there's enough room to put the names on there, but I am grateful that the palette names are located on the back. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prep my face, and I did the things a little bit differently this time around. I do have this moisturizer, I guess you can say. It's called Anti-Wrinkle Charcoal Elixir, and it's a line filler cream. I got it from this brand called Dolled Up. And you basically just shake it and then moisturize your face generously. So I put a good amount all over my face. I use this morning and night. It has been my go-to moisturizer. And it is said to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. So my next prep step is going to be putting some moisturizer on my lips, and this is the SkinCeuticals Antioxidant Lip Repair. This is what it looks like. And I also use this at night before bed after I take off my makeup and cleanse my face a little bit. This is way too much, but a little bit goes a long way. Smooths and rehydrates the lip and vermilion border lines, which is this part here, which obviously you can see is starting to stick out a little bit more. My next prep step is adding this anti-wrinkle charcoal eye serum from Dolled Up brand, and this is for the under eye area for younger looking eyes. It also helps to diminish some dark circles. So I just placed it right here and lightly sweep it underneath my eyes. I've been doing this for about 4 days now. Trying to take care of my skin a little bit more. I also still use my Limelight Skin Must Do. This is to help with my acne scarring and any other flare-ups that occur. Like this happened about a week and a half ago, and I've just been adding this as well as the rest of my facial creams and trying to get my skin back to its health. So for brows, I really don't have much to do with my brows. I'm just going to use my Give Me Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel, and this is in the shade number 4. As you guys saw in my last vlog, I did get my eyebrows tinted, so I don't really need to do much. So this is what I've been doing. I've just been adding the brow gel to my eyebrows and just cleaning them up. I don't want them any darker. I don't want to do much more than I have to. So I got this recently from Benefit Cosmetics. And I'm telling you, it seriously saves me so much time in the day. I don't have to spend 15 minutes putting eyebrows on anymore. Brows are on, so now I'm going to clean up my eyebrows using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Beige. So basically what I do is I just align my under eyebrow. I think the most, I guess you can say, like, rewarding part of applying makeup is actually seeing the end product. Not that I don't think I'm, you know, passable without makeup. I just feel a lot more confident with makeup. So I think that really does help out. Every woman should feel beautiful about themselves no matter what they look like, because you are who you are and people will love you no matter what. But makeup for me always helps give me that confidence boost, so that's why I love it so much. My most favorite part of applying makeup though would have to be the highlight. I can't live without highlight, which is so funny because when I first started I didn't even know what the fuck highlight was. I never even used highlight. Now to prep my eyelids, I'm going to be using the same LA Girl concealer and placing it all over my lid like so. I'm blending it into the skin just so that my eyelids are ready for eyeshadow. Finishing powder onto my lids. And that is to help mattify the concealer on top of my eyelid. That way it doesn't like move around the eyeshadows that I'm going to be placing on my lid. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start using our shadows. So I'm going to use my Morphe brush, 3M330 brush. Make sure it's nice and clean. So I'm going to go on ahead and start using the shade, this one right here. And that one is called, which one is that one called? Hottie, I believe. This is Hottie. The first time I used the palette itself, the shadows didn't have much fallout. So right now I'm using this one here. And I'm getting a lot on my brush and there isn't much fallout, which is surprising. A little bit of kickback, but that's okay. So we're going to work this into the crease area. And like I said, this, I don't know, I have no clue what Kylie did with her formula here. I've never used her eyeshadows before, so I wouldn't know what the consistency of the other eyeshadows were or like how they applied. But in my honest opinion, I love, love, love the seamlessness of this palette and the way that the eyeshadows go on. It's kind of like those underwear that are seamless under dresses and leggings, like you can't even see them. There are no lines. That's kind of like what this eyeshadow palette does for me. Kylie, you are doing wonderful things. I'm gonna go on ahead and use the shade Blazing. It's this brown one here. And put that all over the lid itself with the same brush. I'm going to be going in with a smaller fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to use this shade right here, and this is the shade Summer, I believe. I'm going to put that all over the lid right here. Summer. So pigmented, I love it. I'm going to use this purple shade, and this is in the shade Suns Out, Buns Out, this one right here. Use the same brush and just deepen the outer V up right here. I feel like this palette is perfect for beginners because there's a lot of shimmers, and I feel like shimmers are great for just starting out. I know a lot of people probably would beg to differ, but I feel like shimmers, you can't really go wrong with shimmers. You could just place that all over the lid and call it a day, and you're good. You don't have to go in with like 3 different shades just to create a look. You can just put a shimmer on and you're done. But I'm going to go on ahead and add a little bit of a winged line, a small one. With an angled brush, I'm going to go on ahead and use this shade right here. And this one is called Bikini Mama, and it's this one right here. Sorry if you hear that noise, that is my neighbor cutting their lawn. With a small dense crease brush, I'm going to be using this shade right here, and this is the shade Juicy, my favorite shade of all. I think this is the shade that bought me. And I'm going to put this on the inner corner of my eye right here. I went ahead and I added this shade right here, and this is my, I love this shade. It's called, is it, oh no, this one is called, this one right here is called Mellow, Melon, and this one's called Beach Babe. I put that a little bit, just a very little bit on the inner corners over top of Melon. And I think this is super cute. I don't think you guys can really appreciate it in video, but this is awesome in person. So you guys definitely have to try it. It puts like little glitter specks right over top of it. So I'm gonna go on ahead and put on some mascara, foundation, and concealer over the rest of my face. Now I'm going to be adding some highlight underneath my brows, and I'm going to be using the Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette, and I'm going to be using this shade right here underneath my eyebrows. I do have a coupon code for you guys to use so that you guys can shop my affiliate code and save some money. Using this mascara. It's my first time. Ooh, look at that. That's funny. Funny looking. This mascara is pretty good. I used 2 coats of mascara, and so far it looks like it has volumized, whatever. It's created like more volume in my eyelashes. It's created, it looks like more lashes, but not too many, where it looks like, oh my god, there's spider legs growing out of her eyelids. Give me patience. So now I'm going to go on ahead and add my blush. And for blush, I'm going to be using this one here from Bare Minerals. And it's called Rosy Topaz. I've been using this one a lot lately. Like, a lot lately. I could go without blush, but I feel like I need more color. I do feel like blush makes people look a little bit more like lively as well as younger, so why not? For my highlight today, I'm going to be using a little bit of my Wet n Wild Mega Glow loose highlighting powder, and this is in the shade Written in the Stars. It just came out. Look how epic this looks. The top, so let me just add a little bit. Liner, I'm going to use my MAC lip liner in the shade Spice and just line my lips. Let's see if I can line my lips the way Kylie did. She closed her eyes. I give her like props for that. Let's try. Okay. Okay, this is shitty, I know it. not horrible. And I'm going to use my Kim Kardashian lippy in the shade 3 Nude. I feel like a nude goes really good with this, just because there's a lot going on. Of course, you can see some of my blemishes because I don't like my foundation to be full coverage when I'm just gonna go to the store. Like, it's not even that serious. Back, and this is my makeup look for today. It was inspired by Kylie's Vogue tutorial. I hope you guys like this video. Please feel free to use my discount code. I do get a little bit of a commission for whenever you guys do purchase using my codes. So I thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. This is the makeup look. I think it's super cute. It's super playful. It looks fun. It's super summery, and I just love it. Yeah, so I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you're notified when I have a new video up. And please, please, please become a part of my social media familia. That way we can all keep in contact with one another, and I'll see you guys soon. Any questions you have, just leave them in the comments box below, and I'll see you guys in my next one.